Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Inverse icon theme. So Inverse is a circular icon theme. It's very modern style. I would say it's like similar to Numix Circle if you've ever used that one. Very flat-ish. I know everyone does flat stuff now, but I think it looks nice. And here's how to install it. So to start off, go to the download section of the article, link in the description, and click on the Inverse, and there's two different ways to download it, but we're going to follow the download link for GNOME Look. So go to files and grab the version that you'd like. There are lots of different versions. My favorite color is red, so I'm going to download the red icon theme, and it's going to download to my computer. Take a couple of seconds. Once the download is complete, I can go down to the extraction section, open up my terminal, and copy the downloads command here to get into the downloads directory. Now from here, I need to look through and find the extraction command for me. So I'm using the red one, so I'm going to copy the red command. That's going to extract everything. Now I scroll down to the installation section. All right, so we're in the downloads directory. From here, we can create our new folder, the icons folder. The icons folder is important because this is where all of the icon files are on your system if you're doing single user. Now, like I said, there are two ways to install this. Actually, don't know if I mentioned that, but there are two ways to install this theme. You can go single user, which means that only the person who installs it has access, and you can also do system-wide, which means that everybody has access no matter what. We're going to do the single user installation though, but go ahead and create the new folder, the new icons folder, and then you can actually take a look at the icons folder, and as we see, there's nothing in there. But let's move into the downloads directory. Now from here, we just need to move the inverse icon files into the icon folder, and if we go back into the icons folder, we can see all of the files are here. So the installation is complete. We can open up our appearance settings and we can take a look at what it looks like. So by default, I use Papyrus on my Arch system and just in general because I think it looks nice, but I'm going to switch to my Inverse icon theme. So here is the Inverse icon theme. Let's change the style so it looks a little nicer. Let's go Edwadia. Okay, here we go. So it's an Apple style flat-ish type of icon theme. Looks really nice. Some of the icons, as you'll see, aren't fully developed. Like some of them are hit and miss, but it looks very, very, very nice. And if I look through all of my applications, a good 75% to 80% are taken care of. And let's also look at the downloads folder. So we got all our folders. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful icon theme, I think. So yeah, guys, if you want to get the Inverse icon theme set up on your system, all you got to do is follow the instructions in this video, or if you need more help, you can check the instructions down below in the article that I wrote. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.